हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं नितिन आप सभी का स्वागत मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ट्रेडिंग मंत्रा पे करता हूं। मैं बहुत जल्दी ही जापानीज़ कैंडलस्टिक पैटर्न पे आपके लिए वीडियो लेके आने वाला हूं। मीनवाइल, लेट्स चेक आउट सम इन्फ्लुएंशियल मूवीज़ बेस्ड ऑन स्टॉक मार्केट। So the first movies on the list is Scam 1992. The Harshad Mehta story is an Indian web series based on real events that occurred in the financial world in 1990s. The show is directed by Hansal Mehta and is adapted from the book The Scam by Sucheta Dalal and Debashish Basu. It portrays the rise and fall of Harshad Mehta, a stockbroker who orchestrated one of the largest financial scams in Indian history. The series delves into the world of stock market manipulations, financial intrigue, and regulatory challenges. The next movie is Bazar. Bazar, released in 2018, the film revolves around the world of stock market trading and follows the journey of a young and ambitious stock trader. Bazar sheds light on the complex dynamics of the stock market and the various factors that drive traders' decisions. Gaffla, film released in 2006 that dwells into the world of stock market manipulations and financial scams. Film is a fictionalized account inspired by real-life events and characters involved in stock market manipulations during the 1990s in India. The story revolves around a young man who dreams of making it big in the stock market. He becomes involved in a fraudulent scheme that revolves around the manipulating stock prices to make quick profits. Gaffla sheds light on the darker aspects of the stock market, the allure of quick wealth, and the ethical challenges faced by those who get caught up in such act. The Wolf of Wall Street. Released in 2013, the film is based on the real-life memoir of Jordan Belfort, a stockbroker who engaged in illegal activities and excesses during the 1990s. Leonardo DiCaprio stars as Jordan Belfort, who starts his own brokerage firm and quickly becomes immersed in a world of greed, corruption, and lavish indulgence. The film portrays Belfort's rise to immense wealth through fraudulent practices, his extravagant lifestyles, and his eventual downfall due to the law enforcement. Inside Job. Released in 2010, the film provides a comprehensive analysis of the 2008 global financial crisis. The documentary explores the role of deregulations, irresponsible risk-taking by financial institutions, conflicts of interest, and inadequate government oversight in creating the condition for such crisis. Margin Call. 2011 financial thriller film. The movie revolves around the events leading up to the 2008 financial crisis. It follows key employees at a fictional investment bank as they discover the impending collapse of the financial markets due to the risky and unsustainable practice they have been engaged in. The film explores the moral and ethical dilemmas faced by these characters as they grapple with the consequences of their actions. Margin Call provides a tense and insightful look into the world of high finance and its impact on individuals and society. Billions. TV shows revolves around the intense power struggle between a wealthy, ambitious hedge fund manager, Bobby Axelrod, played by Damon Lewis, and a cunning US attorney, Chuck Rhodes, played by Paul Giamatti. The series dwells into the world of high finance, law enforcement, and politics, exploring themes of wealth, influence, morality, and the bloodline between the legality and ethical behavior. Billion is known for its sharp dialogue, intricate plotting, and exploration of dynamic between money, ambition, and the law. Wall Street. 1987, the movie follows a young and ambitious stockbroker, Bud Fox, played by Charlie Sheen, who becomes entangled with the ruthless corporate trader Gordon Gekko, played by Michael Douglas. Gekko is known for his unscrupulous practices and his famous line, "Greed is good." As Bud gets drawn into Gekko's world, he becomes involved in insider trading and unethical behavior in order to climb the corporate ladder and make a fortune. The film explores the theme of greed, morality, and the consequences of unchecked ambitions in the world of high finance. Bud's moral dilemma and his relationship with Gekko form the core of the story. That's all for today, friends. Hope you like this. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.